Okay, everybody, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use SoundTrap to create a song about what's going on in your life right now during this insane pandemic. So I'm going to start by going to soundtrap.com and I'm going to click login. The username is student@techbrarian.com and the password is student1 with a capital S. And click login and going to enter the studio right here. And the first thing you're going to want to do, so select music, is put in some loops. You can use the keyboard to create your own music, but the fastest way is to use loops. So I'm going to type in Brampton because I previewed this and I heard some beats that I like. So I'm going to put this guy in here and pause that by pressing stop. And you see there's this purple thing which shows that it's going to loop. I don't want it to loop. So if you press this right here, that will allow you to keep going as long as you want. So this half circle here will let me loop, 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 loop as long as I want. I'm not sure how long my song is going to be. So now I'm going to press the loop button again, and I'm going to put in this piano. So let's start it, hear how it sounds. Press play. Okay, that sounds good to me. So next up, I'm going to loop that as well. Then I wrote some lyrics here, and as you're writing lyrics, you're going to want to think about what it feels like right now to be indoors all the time, but what also brings you hope and happiness being at home. So that's sort of the theme. I just wrote one verse, so I'm going to add a new track, and it's going to be a voice track. I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Who knows how it's going to sound, but that's the thing, you got to be brave about it, right? So I'm using headphones.
COVID-19 keep me in walls, 4 square ceiling, the outside calls, can't get out, just sit here and worry, staring at screens till my eyes get blurry. But what don't kill me makes me much stronger, but damn, can't take this much longer. Get up, work, go back to bed, repeat, want fresh air instead, sit here and dream. At least I got FaceTime, smiles from my girl. At least I got my guitar and bowls of cereal. At least I got my students chatting and listening. At least I got time to forward my vision. COVID-19 keep me in walls, 4 square ceiling, the outside calls.
So I'm going to save it. I'm going to put my name and the name of the song, and then I'm going to press save. When it's done saving and you're ready to download it, it takes a while for it to mix, so I can wait for that to finish. Okay, and once it's done mixing, you can just press this button right here and it will download it as an MP3. Then you can go into the Google Classroom. Here's my class. If I was submitting it to here, I would click Add or Create, then File, select from my device, go to my desktop, and here it is, Lahana COVID. Click Upload, and then Turn In. And there you have it.